Welcome to the SSB Outlet. Today we have a 20th anniversary 2005 Suzuki GSX-R600. This sport bike has 21,500 miles on it roughly and will be sold as is. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up for you today. Tires on it, decent shape, got a few miles left on them. Got some damage here in the front end. It's got flush mount front signals. Got a scratch here. So this bike has been tipped over on both sides. I should just tell you that right away. But nothing horrible, but it's definitely got a little damage on both sides. So the bar end is missing there. Got a couple of scrapes, mirror, middle fairing. It knocked the frame slider off of this side. Comes with a tank pad. It's got some scraping on the exhaust here too, as well as stand spools. Back tire looks in good shape. Looks like there's a lot of life left in that. Comes with a fender eliminator and an integrated tail. You can see we've got a little tail damage there too. And again, stand spools. Tank pad. Frame slider. We've got some marks on this side of the fairing as well. And again, flush mount front signal. So like I said, not horrible, but definitely has some damage. A couple of marks here too by the seat. Alright. 21,453 is what's on it. Just the camera down here. This 2005 Suzuki GSX-R600 will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping the SSB Outlet.